How to convert SPayLater to GCash. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can convert the SPayLater to GCash. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can convert SPayLater to GCash. The first thing first, you need to ensure that your SPayLater balance is properly integrated with GCash, which usually happens when you sign up your SPayLater using GCash. When you go to the G credit section, just tap on it and you'll get to SPayLater, where you can use the credit amount, where you can use the amount to convert it into GCash. So you need to open up the GCash app. After that, navigate to the G credit section, which is the SPayLater of the GCash. You just need to go to that page and you'll be taken to the next page where you can SPayLater the amount. So therefore, just go there and go on with the process of converting your SPayLater to GCash after that. And that's how you basically convert your SPayLater to GCash very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.